Let me tell you something most small YouTubers don't realize. You don't have content problem, you have a click problem. You can spend more than 100 hours editing the perfect video, but if nobody clicks, that video effectively doesn't exist. We've been told not to judge a book by its cover, but on YouTube, that's how we survive. Today, we are going to break down into the neuroscience of the click. If you are new to this channel, my name is Vito Melody. Please stay to the end because in this video, I'm going to show you how to gain views using thumbnails and titles, even if you are a small creator. Most people think growth comes from the best videos, but growth actually starts before someone clicks or watches your videos. It actually starts with your thumbnail and your title. That's your first impression. And if the impression is weak, your video dies before even someone watches it or starts watching it. Let us start by looking at the real game. That's clicks. Let us understand this clearly. YouTube is a click platform. Before watch time, before retention, there is a click. No click, no views. No views, no growth. That's why mastering thumbnails and titles is not optional. It is everything. It is everything you need for you to see growth on your channel. Ask yourself, what makes a good thumbnail? A good thumbnail has three things, or it does three things. The first one, it grabs attention. Then the second one, it creates curiosity. Then another one, it communicates fast. People don't study thumbnails, they scan. So your thumbnail must be simple, clear, and emotional. Too much details will kill your clicks. So your thumbnail must just be simple. Something that when someone sees, or even if it is you seeing it, can you click it? Thumbnails also have rules. And here are the rules I follow. One clear message. Big bold text, 3 to 4 words maximum. High contrast colors. A strong facial expression. Then clean background. If your thumbnail is confusing, people will skip your videos. Just make it simple as I have told you. Let us continue and look at what makes a good title. Your title's job is simple. To make someone curious enough to click. It is not explaining everything, but makes people want to know more about your videos. Bad titles, they are too long. They are too descriptive. No curiosity. But good titles are clear, are emotional, and slightly incomplete. It's like you are leaving someone in suspense. So they must be eager to know what is inside your video just by looking at your title. Here are the title formulas. Use these ones. For example, you can write why your YouTube channel is not growing. How I blah blah without blah blah. The truth about blah blah. Stop doing this if you want to blah blah. It must be simple and clear. Let us look at how thumbnails and title work together. This is where most people fail. They treat thumbnail and title separately, but they must work together. Think of it like this. Thumbnail grabs attention. Title explains just enough. Don't repeat the same words. Instead, thumbnails creates curiosity. Titles completes the idea. So you must make sure they are working together, or they are in line with each other. For example, thumbnail written, "This is wrong." Title written, "Why most YouTubers fail to grow." Now that works. Here are the common mistakes people make that kill their clicks. The first one, too much text. The second one, no contrast. Then another one, boring titles. Copying without understanding. Then no emotion. If your thumbnail feels average, people scroll past it. And that way, your videos never get clicks. This is how I do it. Here is my simple process. Start with the idea. Create 3 title options. Design thumbnails around curiosity. Ask, would I click if it was me? Simplify everything. If it is not clear in 1 second, it won't work. Testing and improving. Don't guess. Test. Change your thumbnail if it is not performing. Look at click-through rate, impressions, audience response. Improvement is part of the process. Here is the big realization. Your video doesn't go viral, your packaging does. If more people click, YouTube pushes your video more. That's how growth starts. If you want to grow on YouTube, master this skill. Because thumbnails and titles are not decorations. They are your entry point. If this video helped you, please remember to like, comment and share this message to another person who needs this kind of information. Also remember to check out on my playlist called How I Grew on YouTube series. There I'm teaching you everything step by step on how I grew on YouTube. Thank you and see you again next week.